तो मैं आपका दोस्त हरिंदरजीत सिंह आपको समय समय पर अच्छे वीडियो दिखाता रहता हूँ। मोस्टली ज़्यादातर मैंने वीडियो सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए बनाता हूँ, क्योंकि कई सीनियर सिटीजन है वो कहीं बाहर आ जा सकते नहीं, उनको बैठे बिठाए कि देश में क्या हो रहा है उसकी जानकारी देता हूँ। ऐसी ही एक जानकारी आपके पास बताने जा रहा हूँ। एक एग्जीबिशन लगी है इंडियन गिफ्ट वर्ल्ड 2026, ये भारत मंडप में लगी है, जो कि 30 जुलाई से 1 अगस्त तक चलेगी। वैसे तो इसका ऑनलाइन अगर आप पहले रजिस्ट्रेशन करा लेते तो फ्री था, वैसे इसका टिकट 1000 रुपये रखा है। इसके अंदर हर एक प्रकार के गिफ्ट आइटम, जो कि जैसे बर्थडे का गिफ्ट है, किसी की शादी का गिफ्ट है, उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गिफ्ट है, वो इसमें डिस्प्ले कर रखे हैं कि हर एक तरह का। अब आगे दिवाली आ रही है, दिवाली में आप क्या गिफ्ट देंगे उसके बारे में बहुत अच्छी भंडार है गिफ्टों का, कि आप वहाँ से सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि ये गिफ्ट देनी चाहिए। और जैसे किसी के घर में शादी है, शादी में आपको मिठाई के डब्बे देते हैं, उसकी जगह क्या गिफ्ट नई नई गिफ्ट के डिस्प्ले में करिए कि ये गिफ्ट दीजिए, वो भी इसमें डिस्प्ले करिए। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम है, अलग अलग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम है, वो भी इसमें डिस्प्ले किया है। तो चलिए आपको लेके चलते हैं वर्ल्ड इंडियन 2026 गिफ्ट एग्जीबिशन में, जो कि भारत मंडप में लगी है। चलिए चल के दिखाते हैं आपको। अब दिवाली आ रही है। अब यहाँ पर ये कैंडल हैं, दीवे बना रखे हैं बहुत ही खूबसूरत। ये देखिए, इसमें कैंडल भी बनाए हुए हैं, दीवे भी बनाए हुए हैं, बहुत ही खूबसूरत नज़र आ रहे हैं। यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं मोमेंटोज हैं। ये देखिए, चलिए इनसे पूछते हैं ये क्या प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे हैं।
हाय, वी आर फ्रॉम ट्रू एलिमेंट्स और हम लोग यहाँ पे हमारी गिफ्टिंग रेंज पूरा है जो डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं। उसमें आते हैं मिलेट नमकीन, ग्रेनोला, मैंगो म्यूसली, सीड मिक्सेस, कोटेड नट्स एंड डिफरेंट थिंग्स। सो वी आर अ हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट एंड स्नैकिंग ब्रांड और हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स में कोई भी एडेड प्रिजर्वेटिव, एडेड कलर्स या एडेड फ्लेवर्स नहीं होते। और हम एज अ ब्रांड कोई भी प्रोडक्ट में रिफाइंड शुगर नहीं डालते, उसके बदले में जैगरी या हनी यूज़ करते हैं। ऑल आवर प्रोडक्ट्स आर हेल्दी एंड आर अ वेरी नाइस ऑप्शन फॉर गिफ्टिंग. You can surely check us on Amazon, Instamart, Blinkit, Zepto and all e-commerce and quick commerce channel. We are available there.
आप दिखा सकते हैं जो जैगरी के लिफाफे?
आप
Yes,
शो कर दिखाएंगे इसमें क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट इसके अंदर पड़े हुए हैं।
So जैसे आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे रॉ हनी एंड जैगरी यूज़ किया हुआ है।
यहाँ पर ये ट्रॉफी गिफ्ट मेरा मोमेंटो जो कई ऑफिसों में दिए जाते हैं वो शो कर रखे हैं। ये जो मोमेंटो बनाते हैं या कोई खेल में बनाते हैं तो, और यहाँ पर ताश के पत्तों के ऊपर विजिटिंग कार्ड बनाए हुए हैं।
The brand is not right. Normal name का चला है. Customize it as per your industry. Like this is done for royal chains. They are into gold chains. Each card will have a different gold chain.
Okay, यूनिक आपने कॉन्सेप्ट क्या किया है?
This is done for a travel agent.
जापान के साथ जापान का है?
नहीं ये रूट ब्रिजेस अपना मेघालय में होती है.
अच्छा अच्छा।
Living root bridges. So on each card there is a different destination. Done for the whole crew. They are a health conscious food brand, and going with their brand philosophy, on each card there is a quirky health advice.
Okay.
So as per your industry, you can cater it with your
Create
product
your
and
own style.
services.
Okay.
यहाँ पर वो तांबे की बोतलें शो कर रखी है। तांबे की बोतलों में जो पानी भर के पीते हैं ना, वो यहाँ पर दिखाया है।
Okay, so Mom's Home is basically a D2C brand. Our entire range is maternity focused. We have, everything you can need for children essential. Majorly it's textile, but we're also launching a new line of toys. What we're trying to do here is basically help corporates, build a more familiar environment and make customized gift options for different employees that might be going on maternity leave. And we have different options in like gift packaging, and obviously we also have themes. All of our products are based on cute themes. Can be avocado, lemon, rainbows, strawberry, and these are the new toys that we've just launched. We're also about to launch learning toys. And yeah, all of this is made from very premium organic cotton. We have the GOTS certificate to prove the quality of the product. Yeah. Has like any plastic or harmful chemicals that none of it has like any harmful chemicals that can affect a child in any way, because microplastics is a big concern right now, right? So yeah, all of it is completely textile based. Ranges that we're coming up with along with the toys. This is like a child plushie with a blanket, so that when you put this over your child, they have like a cute thing. Exactly. So this is all made from, this is cotton and that's also cloth. It's entire textile based. There is no plastic here.
अगर किसी ने कांटेक्ट करना है इनसे तो ये इनका एड्रेस है, आप इससे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
Hi, Haji. Hi. My name is Abhishek. Shilpkar is an initiative by HHEWA, which is the Handicraft and Handloom Exporter Welfare Association. The initiative is to promote smaller artisans and manufacturers who cannot reach to these kind of exhibitions. So we are promoting them and their handmade items. If you look at this particular plate, this is handmade with marble ash, and the person has created this plate, put it in a gift box so that it can be a gifting option to your loved ones. Similarly, you look at everything that you see here, handmade by individuals and smaller manufacturers who otherwise wouldn't have reached places like Gift Expo. And if you look at the work, this is all from pan India. So we got people from Odisha working, from Uttar Pradesh, from Maharashtra. So you look at different kind of items from different artisans or manufacturers. So you can download our catalog from this QR. You'll find everything about us. You'll find the pricing, the MOQ, and buy and promote smaller businesses.
Hi, I'm Samar. I'm the founder of 4.5. Today we have for you our Active Hygiene Mist. It's our first product. It's a skin-safe alternate to odor control. Today the most common solution for odor control is a deodorant, which uses alcohol, ethanol, heavy metals to mask your odor for what? 2.5 hours. So at what cost? At the cost of your skin health, pigmentation, and who knows, even room for cancer cells to grow. So we've come up with this Active Hygiene Mist. It's a pH balanced, alcohol free, aluminum free body mist. So what it does is it has some key actives which neutralizes the odor in your body, leaving your skin pH balanced, so no room for any odor causing bacteria to grow. The base here is rose water, acting as an emulsifier for all the key actives. So it's not the fragrance like Vetiver Woods green tea cucumber. This is purely for the mist, which will stay for about a couple of minutes. But what's left is actually the soothness of rose water, keeping your skin balanced as well.
करा रहे यार, चलो
Hi, my name is Rishti. So this brand is Voto brand. It's a AI brand. It's like it has features of a call. You can talk on call. You can record video. You can click photos. There is a translation option as well. It has 100 plus languages. You can translate it to it. You can click photos and everything, and it's unique because it's at affordable prices. Nowadays meta classes are very expensive, but these are affordable. Price of this is 13,900. It comes in 3 generations: Gen 1, Gen 2 and Gen 3. So it has C-type charging as well. If you lost the charging wire, so you can charge it through other and everything. It's unique. It's a gift purpose because it's affordable. Not everyone can afford meta glasses because they are very expensive. If you lose it, you feel really bad about it. So if you want to change the lenses, you can change the lenses as well, because the main feature is of the frame and how it works.
They have asked some question like if you want to ask like what is the weather there.
Yeah. It has an inbuilt AI. You have to say hello Echo, and you can ask questions and everything, and it will answer you back. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sanjeev, and this is one of our brand motivational gifts. And I'm also a marketing coach, and I have written the book called Invisible Marketing: Get 10x ROI from Your Gifting Strategy. So this book explains how, with the positive motivational content, we can influence our customers in a better way. We can help our customers grow. We can become the part of their growth journey by giving them something which is motivational, which is so we are creating all the products with the either motivational quotes or affirmations. So that is the new way of corporate gifting, you can say. So when you have any good idea on your table, and it keeps you reminding every day, and it gives you the positive direction toward your goals in life.
ये मोटिवेशन गिफ्ट है, ये अपने टेबल पर लगा है। इसमें मोटिवेशन किसके लिखे हुए हैं, आपको मोटिवेशन मिलेगा।
Kind of thing in India.
Yeah, this is the first kind of brand that is focused only on creating the motivational content. So it is sometimes, for example, you give you give a book as a gift to somebody so that it can help that person in the personal growth. But that book, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया कि वो बुक जब बंद हो जाएगी तो उसमें वो आइडिया भी बंद हो जाएगा। मतलब whatever you keep in front of you, that will become your persistent thought. So that is the motive behind creating this brand.
Hi, this is our crystal wall, if you can see. So all our paintings are handmade Each and every dot is placed by hand. So that's
handmade product.
yes, these are handmade. So first we paint this canvas and then we put these stones one by one.
These are all the stones.
Yeah, these are the stones. And see, so what makes our things unique is that it's all artworks are handmade and everything is customizable as per your size, as per your requirement. We can customize it. You can give your theme, you can give your portraits, we can make the portraits also. You can give your pictures. Yeah, it's looking like me only. So this is all. Hi again, and see, if you want to get the portraits done, you can send us the picture and it will cost you around, it will start from 4,000 rupees onwards and it can go up to any depending upon what size you are looking at.
तो आपको पिक्चर किसी ने भेजने तो कहाँ भेजेंगे? कभी कंपनी की ईमेल आईडी?
Yes, you can email us or you can send it on my number. You can, it's vmalik11@rediffmail.com. Yeah.
Welcome to Punk Incense. We are exhibiting at Gifts World Expo. So I'll just have a quick go through our products for a quick solution for your Diwali gifting. So we have, we have this brass bell. Then we have custom made dhoop sticks. All the fragrances are in-housely made, and then we don't use charcoal or any toxin-free material. It's all completely toxin-free. We have a small matchbox with this, and then we have some bamboo-less options when we don't use bamboo in our gifting options. So we have bamboo-less. Then for some sustainable gifting, we have this paper lamp is there. It has an LED light inside it, so all the images will fall on the wall and the ceiling when you light it. So it's a sustainable option for gifting. And then we have our custom made playing cards for your Diwali playing party, and it's our theme based. The king is burning the incense and it's going to the queen, so it is made in-house. So so yes, you can contact us on Instagram, Punk Incense. We are available. We have a website, punkincense.com, and a phone number that I'll share, 75686 I'm the co-founder of the brand, Shreya.
जैसे गिफ्ट पर्पस से आप देख सकते हैं
दिवाली
दिवाली
Hi, I'm Aditya Sangvi. I'm the founder of a brand named Snackable. We are a health snacks brand which makes a variety of different healthy snacking options, ranging from millet-based chips to nuts and dry fruits to dips and spreads, and even sugar-free Kunafa chocolate. One of the only brands in the country which is doing sugar-free Kunafa chocolates. And we are known for corporate gifting because we have a variety of different hampers that we sell at various different budgets. The reason why people come to us for corporate gifting is purely because today the kind of variety that we can offer to our customers with over 60 plus options. Secondly, consumers today want healthy food. They want to shift from unhealthy junk to better for you options, and we have the right options for them. And that's what corporates want to also do, send the right message to their employees or their clients or their friends and family. So we have been in this business for almost 10 years. We are one of the market leaders in this segment. Our products are also available on quick commerce platforms, website, Amazon, etc. And we always take B2B. Anyone who's looking for some kind of customized solution, we are happy to do that also for them.
Hello everyone, our factory is based in Guangzhou, China. We have here AI toys. Basically is an AI who are able to talk to you, to solve your issues and everything you need. The price is around 4,000 rupees for each piece. We also have sunglasses with AI who could translate, who could take picture, record videos.
So this is AI.
This is all products with AI.
So can you give us a kind of an example, like how it works, and it's like if I ask some question to it,
Yes.
so how do you respond and all?
Basically, we need to connect through Wi-Fi, and we doesn't have Wi-Fi in the house, so I cannot show you right now, but I can send you videos and everything, or I can show you. They could. Hello. So if you're interested on our toys, you could contact us right here on our website from Guangzhou.
Where is the website?
The website. I make sure.
And the camera recognizes owners and objects, where it's daydreaming global.
हेलो दिस इज़ आवर प्रोडक्ट नेम इज़ लाइका एक ये हमने इसको 7 डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स में डाला है। ये बिल्कुल आपको एक यूनिक टेस्ट देगा और ये आपके 7 डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स हैं। पहला है आपका टॉफ़ी, बटर ब्राउन, माम्बा, एक्सप्रेसो, मैक्सिकन, गोदाम्बी एंड द तामुलम। ये बेसिकली आपका चॉकलेट है विथ फुल ऑफ वेफल्स जो आपके 7 डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स में आते हैं आप, और दैट्स इट। बहुत यूनिक है। अभी आप इसको ट्राई करो, टेस्ट करो। ये फर्स्ट टाइम है, ये फर्स्ट टाइम है। आप इसको, ये हमारा होममेड मतलब हैंडमेड है ये चॉकलेट हमारा। हाँ, ये बिल्कुल हैंडमेड है। हमारी एक यूनिट है इसकी, हम इसको करते हैं।
Hi, welcome to Guilt Free. I am Shubham. I am from Bhopal, and we are offering date bites, OG bites, Jaggery bomb. It's called Guilt Free because we are not using any palm oil, no refined sugar, and no gluten. So if you want to gift something special to your loved ones, it's a perfect gift for offering. This is our product range, and we are offering a few 6 to 7 flavor of makhanas that you will get on Blinkit, and soon we will be there in retail, your nearby retail shop also.
What other products you have?
We have chia seeds, omega rich, and we have pumpkin seeds, we have flax seed, and our best seller is our date bites.
because mostly people are selling with a shelf life of 1 year.
What's the company name?
It's Guilt-Free, and we are based from Bhopal, and we are delivering pan India.
दोस्तों ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा इसके बारे में ज़रूर बताइएगा, इसको शेयर कीजिएगा, खासकर सीनियर सिटीजन ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको घर बैठे ये जानकारी कैसी लगी। अगले वीडियो में हम आपसे फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार।